Welcome to Magic English for you.
Your best option.
Let's learn with Keanu Reeves. Keanu Reeves is a talented actor.
Keanu Reeves is a talented actor.
He was born in Beirut, Lebanon.
He was born in Beirut, Lebanon.
Keanu grew up in Toronto, Canada.
Keanu grew up in Toronto, Canada.
He is known for his roles in action films.
He is known for his roles in action films.
Keanu starred in The Matrix.
Keanu starred in The Matrix.
He played Neo in the series.
He played Neo in the series.
Keanu is also known for John Wick.
Keanu is also known for John Wick.
He has a kind and humble personality.
He has a kind and humble personality.
Keanu is a motorcycle enthusiast.
Keanu is a motorcycle enthusiast.
He often rides his own bikes.
He often rides his own bikes.
Keanu loves to help others.
Keanu loves to help others.
He supports various charities.
He supports various charities.
Keanu is known for his generosity.
Keanu is known for his generosity.
He has a unique sense of style.
He has a unique sense of style.
Keanu is a fan of classical music.
Keanu is a fan of classical music.
He enjoys reading books.
He enjoys reading books.
Keanu has a deep love for the arts.
Keanu has a deep love for the arts.
He has acted in many genres.
He has acted in many genres.
Keanu is also a producer.
Keanu is also a producer.
He has directed films as well.
He has directed films as well.
Keanu is often seen in casual clothes.
Keanu is often seen in casual clothes.
He has a calm demeanor.
He has a calm demeanor.
Keanu is a private person.
Keanu is a private person.
He rarely shares personal details.
He rarely shares personal details.
Keanu has faced many challenges in life.
Keanu has faced many challenges in life.
He has lost loved ones.
He has lost loved ones.
Keanu shows resilience and strength.
Keanu shows resilience and strength.
He is admired by fans worldwide.
He is admired by fans worldwide.
Keanu has a great sense of humor.
Keanu has a great sense of humor.
He often interacts with fans.
He often interacts with fans.
Keanu is known for his down-to-earth attitude.
Keanu is known for his down-to-earth attitude.
He has a passion for filmmaking.
He has a passion for filmmaking.
Keanu enjoys working with new talent.
Keanu enjoys working with new talent.
He has received several awards.
He has received several awards.
Keanu is an icon in Hollywood.
Keanu is an icon in Hollywood.
He continues to inspire many.
He continues to inspire many.
Keanu is often seen riding public transport.
Keanu is often seen riding public transport.
He believes in being true to oneself.
He believes in being true to oneself.
Keanu has a strong work ethic.
Keanu has a strong work ethic.
He is dedicated to his craft.
He is dedicated to his craft.
Keanu has a loyal fan base.
Keanu has a loyal fan base.
He is known for his iconic roles.
He is known for his iconic roles.
Keanu has a love for storytelling.
Keanu has a love for storytelling.
He often supports fellow actors.
He often supports fellow actors.
Keanu is a role model for many.
Keanu is a role model for many.
He is a symbol of kindness.
He is a symbol of kindness.
Keanu has been in the industry for decades.
Keanu has been in the industry for decades.
He continues to take on challenging roles.
He continues to take on challenging roles.
Keanu is a beloved figure in cinema.
Keanu is a beloved figure in cinema.
He leaves a positive impact on everyone he meets.
He leaves a positive impact on everyone he meets. Thanks for watching.